In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the pay period in QuickBooks Online. Changing a pay period is something you might need to do if an employee's schedule changes, if you're standardizing your payroll, or if you made a mistake when you first set things up. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own QuickBooks Online account. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and head over to the payroll area. At the top or left side of your screen, you should see a payroll menu. Click that and then choose Employees. This is where QuickBooks lists everyone you pay through payroll. Next, find the employee whose pay period you want to change. Click directly on that employee's name to open their profile. This takes you to their detailed information, including contact details, pay rate, and employment information. Once you're in the employee's profile, look for the Employment Details section. This is usually where QuickBooks stores information about hire dates, employment status, and pay setup. To make changes, click the small pencil icon next to Employment Details. That pencil icon is QuickBooks' way of saying Edit. Now, within the Employment Details, find the Pay Schedule section. This is where the current pay period or pay frequency is set for that employee. To change it, click the pencil icon next to the pay schedule. If you don't already have the schedule you want, you can choose the option to add a new pay schedule instead. Here's where you set up the new schedule. Choose the pay frequency that matches how often you want to pay this employee, such as weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Then set the next payday, which is the actual date you'll be running payroll for that schedule. After that, define the end of the next pay period. This is the last day of the work period that paycheck will cover. Taking a moment to double-check these dates helps keep your payroll accurate. Give this schedule a clear, recognizable name so you can easily identify it later, especially if you use multiple pay schedules. Once the name and details look correct, click Save. Finally, make sure that this new schedule is actually selected for the employee you're editing. Review the pay schedule shown in their profile, and then save the employee's record. Your changes are now applied, and the new pay period will be used the next time you run payroll for that employee.